Good evening. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Does everybody know what day it is? It's 2'Fer Tuesday. Tonight we're doing 2'Fer Tuesday. It's 11/12 and 12/13 Rookie Anthology. And we'll show the last team sold was Winnipeg Jets. And they sold at 20:04 Eastern. Let's go right over to the eBay time. We'll refresh it. We got 17:30 Pacific. We've got 20:30 Eastern. For those of you who haven't seen it, I have an 8-box case of 11/12 titanium. Coming out on Thursday night. We'll be cracking that puppy. So get in, get your bids in if you can. It's going to be a fun time. Just thought I'd throw that little self-advertisement in there. Let me get my list here. I left it on the printer. Okay, list for tonight. As you notice, again, War Machine got the Bruins. I let the Bruins go the last couple times here, so and I let them go in that case too. So sneak right on over and get your bid in on it. So there's our list of successful bidders and their respective teams. Just remember that I always do a recap at the end of the break, so if you don't want to watch the whole video, you can just skip to the end and watch it. So it's 2'Fer Tuesday Anthology, break number 35. Serial numbers are 181165474 and 190598661. So we'll start with the 11/12. Excuse me. Bruins just scored. This one's going to count, I think. Good. 18-11-65-474. And there's the number. Okay, so that's good. Bruins ahead 3-1. So I guess I can continue on with the break. I always hate doing my breaks when there's a Bruins game on, and Christ, most of the time there's, look at that, another flimsy. No, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. No luxury suite in that one. Alright, well, good luck everybody. We'll get right down to it. So next week, or on the weekend, and following next week, I will be having, I don't know, I've got some Dominion coming in, I've got some game used, and what else? Some limited. I like that 11/12 limited. So for the St. Louis Blues, we got Cade Fairchild. St. Louis. And St. Louis tonight is Steph Goss. Gose. Steven, congratulations. Goes out to you. And we've got our rookie treasures already. Thomas Kubalik for the Blue Jackets. Numbered 475 out of 499. Thomas Kubalik for the Blue Jackets. And of course that's Aaron Om too. Congratulations, Matt. Thanks for sneaking in on that big case break there and jump starting that for me. I appreciate it. And for the Chicago Blackhawks and 12/77/947M. We've got Jimmy Hayes, rookie, Pinnacle rookie, Chicago. And we got rookie rivalry between the Rangers and Penguins. So it's Aaron 2 and James Max 6687. We got Tim Exeron and Simon Dupre. So we'll do that at the end. Hopefully my random.org will work. I had a problem getting it loaded up there before I started the break. I had to try like 4 times to get it to load. My internet sucks the hind booby. For the Minnesota Wild, we've got Warren Peters, Pinnacle rookie, and Minnesota is Michael Storto. Sorry, Mike, I can never get that right. For the Ottawa Senators and Cosmo Canadian, we got Mike Hoffman, Calder Contenders, 158 out of 999, and that's Ottawa. Congratulations. And we got 4 to go. Redemption here. Panini's pretty good. They always, generally, well, take care of them. For the Boston Bruins, it's Tuukka Rask, Crown Royal Silhouette Signatures. So it says that it's expired, but I'm pretty sure that you can redeem it. I would redeem it as quick as possible. So War Machine, you can let me know if you don't get any other hits. You can let me know if you just want me to send you the code or you want me to send you the card. Up to yourself. Either way, congratulations to War Machine 69CA. Another rookie rivalry between the Columbus Blue Jackets and the Nashville Predators. So that's Aaron 2 and Stack Lover 12. So we'll do that, like I say, we'll do that after the dust settles. Yeah, we got a Crown Royal rookie, Pierre Cedric Labrie. And Tampa Bay is 2010 Ivy 79. Congratulations. There you have it. And we got Milan Kittner for the Oilers. Rookie Keitner, I guess. So we got Pinnacle rookie for the Oilers. Oilers is 12/77/947M. That's all she wrote for that. Rookie Anthology. We got the, I always call it luxury sweet pack, but I can't call it that now because it's just too thin. It's going to be a auto. Aaron 2, John Moore. Nice auto for you for Columbus. So that takes care of that first break. I'll just put those over here. And 19059 8661. 19059 8661. And I'll just confirm it there. Yep. And it's all sealed exactly. Get off me. There's a prism. We know what's in that. $10. Mix them up a little bit. Okay. Once again, good luck everyone. And for the Pittsburgh Penguins, James Mack, 6687. Game worn gear, Thomas Vokoun. Says the Capitals on it, but it is Penguins. Trade it to the Penguins with Penguins logo. I'm just going to get rid of these cards here. Toss them over there. Anybody else been having problems with uploading their stuff to eBay with the turbo loader? I've been having an awful problem with the pictures. There's Patrick Waugh for the Canadians, Contenders Legacy, and that is numbered 387 out of 999. And that is Ross Marino 2345. Yeah, I've been, Christ, I wanted to do like 3 breaks the other night and could only get one of them uploaded. I have to go change all my pictures and crap like that. I never had a problem like that before. I don't know. Anyway, for New Jersey, and Stephen Gosey. There you go, Steve. Royal Lineage. For the Devils, Patrick Elias, Ilya Kovalchuk, and Adam Larson. Nice, not numbered. And for the Columbus Blue Jackets and Aaron 2, we got Cody Gublev, Elite Rookies. That's numbered 855 out of 999. And for the Toronto Maple Leafs and Rogloon. Sorry, buddy. Carter Ashton. Rookie auto, jersey, and that's numbered 33 out of 99, so congratulations. Rogloon, I'll get it right, Rogloon. There we go, that's a good thick one, so this will be probably the rookie treasures, perhaps. Jeremy Welsh. Demers View. There you go, Demers View. Hopefully you can get that paid for and get your error out of there. Rookie Treasures. Jeremy Welsh, Carolina. 135 out of 699. Congratulations. You'll be happy to see that card, I'm sure. Why wouldn't you? For the Stars, we got Kerry Lettman. Stars tonight is Cosmo Canadian, and that's Vesna Contenders. 628 out of 999. Congrats. And for the Chicago Blackhawks, 1277 947M, we got Stan Mikita, Contenders Legacies, 24 out of 999 for Stan the Man Mikita. Another thick one. For the Philadelphia Flyers, Trev Kidd, 9217. We've got number 338. There we go, out of 500. Braid Outdoors, Braden Shen. That's Philadelphia, and that is, like I said, Trev Kidd, 9218. Now for LA and Nairnum 2, we got Dustin Brown. Should be sweet. Oh yeah. Signature silhouette for Dustin Brown and LA. Very nice. Those are not numbered. And Aaron, next shipping, I guess I'm going to send all your stuff out because it's piling up here. God, my room's full of it. No. For the New York Islanders and 2010 Ivy 79, we got John Tavares. That's Hart Contenders. Johnny Tavares, 571 out of 999. Congratulations. One pack to go. One pack. And it's a stubborn one. Stubborn, must be something good in it. It's probably the base pack. We haven't had one of them yet. Exactly. There you go. So, we've got the Prism left. And again, I'll say good luck. Usually somebody who hasn't got a hit usually picks one up here. Let's see if that holds true. Okay, we got Mike Smith for the Coyotes, and that's a Ross Marino 2345. Nice. Brendan Dillon, rookie card, blue for Dallas, Cosmos Canadian. There you go, bud. And that is numbered 23 out of 25. Perfect. And we got Max Sauvé for Boston. And War Machine 69. So, before I go through them all, whoops, I am going to my trusty keyboard. And run over to random.org. And the first card we're going to do is the Rangers and Penguins. So I'm probably the fastest typer going, I guess. Not. Okay. While I'm doing it, I might as well do the other one, get the other one done up, I guess. Apologize for taking so long, but oops. And Predators P. Okay, here we go then. Alrighty then. There you see, New York Rangers, Pittsburgh Penguins 3 times. I'll random it 4 times. Team that's on top after the 4th randomization will be declared the winner. So there's number 1, and we'll trade up here. Number 1, we got New York. Number 2, Pittsburgh. Number 3, New York. And the winner is New York. So that card goes to Aaron Ohm too. Congratulations. And then we go over to Blue Jackets and Predators. Again, same idea. Randomized 4 times. Team on top at the end of 4 is declared the winner. So first time you have Blue Jackets on top. Boston just scored again. Cool. I think. Maybe it's commercial. Predators on top. Predators on top, and time number 4, Predators. So, stack lover 12 gets that card, so congratulations. So, Rangers. And Nashville. Okay, so we know what those 2 cards are. Right there. Let's go through and do them from the backs. Pittsburgh, Montreal, New Jersey, Columbus, Toronto, Carolina, Stars, Chicago, Philly, LA, Islanders, Coyotes, Stars, Bruins, Columbus, excuse me, Chicago, Minnesota, Ottawa, Boston Bruins, Tampa Bay, Edmonton, Columbus, and last but not least, or first it was, St. Louis. So there you have it. Thank you once again for taking part. 2 for Tuesday is always fun. I like it. Don't forget Thursday night, 8-box case of Titanium 1112. Hope to see you there. Till then, happy bidding.